Hello, today we will guide you through how to add your payment on Payhip. In this walkthrough, we'll connect your Payhip store to PayPal so you can start receiving payouts. Make sure you're signed into your Payhip account on a desktop browser for the clearest view, and that you can access the email address associated with your PayPal account. Begin by opening the Payhip dashboard. This is your store's control center, and it's where you'll adjust key settings. Once the dashboard loads, look toward the top right corner of the screen for the account menu. It may appear as your store name or an avatar icon, depending on your setup. Click Account to open the drop-down options, then select Settings. Settings is where Payhip keeps important preferences for your store, including payment configuration. Inside Settings, choose Payment Details. This page is dedicated to how you get paid and is the place where you'll connect your payout method. On the Payment Details page, find the PayPal section and click Connect. This begins the secure linking process between Payhip and your PayPal account. When prompted, enter the email address linked to your PayPal. Type it carefully and double-check for typos, since this is how your payouts will be routed. If you use a dedicated business email for PayPal, enter that one here. Next, click Connect and follow the on-screen instructions until the connection is confirmed. You may be asked to sign in to PayPal and grant permission for Payhip to send payouts to your account. Simply proceed through those prompts, keeping the browser window open until you see confirmation that the connection is complete. If you're using browser extensions or a private window, consider turning extensions off or using a standard window if you encounter any hiccups. Once connected, you should see PayPal marked as active on your payment details page. Take a moment to confirm that the displayed email is the correct one. If something doesn't look right, you can disconnect and repeat the process to ensure everything matches. A few helpful tips as you wrap up. Make sure your PayPal account is able to receive payments in your store's currency, ensure the email you entered is verified on PayPal, and keep your Payhip and PayPal contact details consistent to prevent payout delays. If a confirmation email is required by PayPal, check your inbox and spam folder and complete any quick verifications. That's it. You opened your dashboard, navigated to Account, went into Settings, selected Payment Details, connected PayPal, entered your PayPal email, and followed the prompts until it was linked. You're now ready to accept payments and receive payouts through Payhip.